To deposit a check with PNC Mobile Deposit, start by ensuring you have the PNC mobile banking app installed on your smartphone. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, log into your PNC online banking account using your username and password. Next, locate the mobile deposit option within the app, usually found on the main menu or under the Account Transactions section. Select the account where you want to deposit the check, such as your checking or savings account. Before proceeding, make sure you have a check that is eligible for mobile deposit. Endorse the back of the check by signing your name and writing for mobile deposit only at PNC Bank. This step is crucial to prevent the check from being deposited elsewhere. Now, tap the Take a Picture of the check option and follow the on-screen instructions to capture an image of the front and back of the check. Ensure the check is placed on a flat surface and the camera is focused on the check to avoid blurry images. The app will guide you through the process of taking and confirming the check images. After successfully capturing the images, enter the check amount and select the account to deposit the funds into. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate, including the check amount and account number. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit has been successfully submitted. The funds will be available in your account according to PNC Bank's funds availability policy. It is essential to keep the original check in a safe place for a certain period, usually 15 to 30 days, before destroying it to ensure the deposit has been processed correctly. To avoid any issues, make sure your mobile device has a stable internet connection and the PNC mobile banking app is up to date. Additionally, be aware of the daily and monthly deposit limits for mobile deposits, which can be found in the PNC mobile banking app or on the PNC Bank website. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely deposit checks using the PNC mobile deposit feature, saving you time and effort.